So today the plan is replace this boring, simple, small shift knob with something a little more interesting. Pool ball. Got it for a couple bucks at an antique shop, and I don't know, looked a little more interesting, a little more vintage, a little more, just a little more cool actually, than just the plain black one. I got these off of Amazon, but unfortunately they don't fit the thread pattern on that. So rummaging around in the shop, I actually found a fitting for, I believe, my compressor. It didn't work with my compressor, so I have like everything I save, and this actually works really well. So I'm going to drill a hole into this and then epoxy that fitting in there. Take this fitting and put it in here. However, because it's not exactly correct, I'm going to take this epoxy putty stick, coat the edge of this, and just jam it in there and twist as hard as I could and hope it works. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we'll give it a shot. Let's see, break off an end of this. In. Knead it in your hands. Good. As far as I know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just take this, knead it until it's a nice consistency in your hands, and then use it and just let it sit. A little bit of this, and we'll wrap it around. I'm sure that's like the worst possible thing I can do. That is the worst way to do that, I'm sure. Already starting to go off on my hands, so that's great. Use some acetone, I guess. Probably should have used gloves. Okay. Alright, let's press fit this baby in. I could just press fit it in like that. Nice and easy pressure. Don't overdo it. centered as best I can. There we go. That's pretty good. Take it off. Final step is make sure it works. There you go.